Okay, this looks cool. When I choose the right file, the sounds also change. Great. So we already finished our program. I hope that it will help you to program many web applications. Hi and welcome back to this video. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to create an Mp3 player with Visual C#. And now let's start. We create a new project with Visual C# and create a new project. Alright, let's choose Winform. Okay, in here we choose Winform app.NET framework. Next, we're naming it Mp3 player and choose a folder for this. Alright, firstly we change the text of the form to Mp3 player. Okay, that looks nice. And next, we add some button in here. 6 buttons. Button. A little longer. This should be preview. It's too long. Next, play, pause, stop, and open. Make it open longer. Okay. Preview is preview. Next, play, pause, stop, and open. Renaming this button is btn preview, btn next, btn play, btn pause, btn stop, btn open. Alright, so the next thing to do is adding a we need a toolbox. The next thing to do is adding a window media player. So in my laptop we have already window media player in here, but if you cannot find it, right click here, choose item, go to component and find for a window media player. It's work for .NET framework in about 4. My version is 4.7.5, and click in here and then OK, and window media player is already been here. Alright, so we add a window media player. Property, choose none, apply, OK. And here we add a picture box. Alright, choose image. Import a nice image. I take it from Google and choose the sidechain to stretch the size mode to stretch image. Alright, next thing to do is add a list box here. Okay, the list box looks so nice. I can check the name. The name of the window media player should be player 1. And this box, we call this track list. We add a text bar here. Finding its orientation and change to vertical. Okay, we add some label. could be volume. This one could be volume number. %50%. And we change its maximum value to this is LBL volume, and its maximum number. Where the maximum number? No. So we change the tracks bar maximum number to 100. Let's look like that. Next thing to do is add a new label in here. Naming it L track start. We go to the font. So we need to choose some digital fonts. You cannot find any digital font in here, so I choose this and make it bold, make it bigger, look like this. We need to change its color also. Color. Its color should be 4 color. This one. We change to green. The background color should be black, look like this, and the text should be zero, 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 zero. Okay. We copy it, put it here, and naming it as LBL and track. Nice. We find a panel here. Change the back color to black. Let's move the panel. Yeah. And send to back. It looks quite nice. We also change the back color track face, but the fore color should be white. And do the same with other control. Black for the back color. This one. Back color, black, and text color to be, I think white is not really suitable. I think orange is better for the fore color. We do the same with this button. Black color become black, and fore color orange. With the button, we need to choose the style for flat style. No, we need to choose just button. We don't need and don't click to the list box because we need the flat style is just for button. Flat style here. Flat style could be flat. And this is our UI UX. So let's run and check. So there's a problem in here. Even we choose it none, we choose none, but it's still there's some button of the media player in here, and I don't want it. So for that, we just come to the code, view code, and in the publication of the form, so we need to make player 1 UI mode equal to none. And let's see what we have now. So as you can see, we cannot see the button for media player here. Nice. There's one thing to add in here is the timer. We need a timer. Alright. So now we can start for coding. Firstly, we need to code something for the button open. We open to choose the file and to choose the MP3 player. So in here we can make an open dialog, which is OFD. Open file dialog, which is OFD equal to new open file dialog. So we need to create a filter for the file. To create a filter, to make it simple, I just go to Google and I typing open file dialog C# filter for MP3 and just copy what we need. We don't need to know everything. We just need to copy what we need. Is here. I like this filter with this kind of extension, so I copy this line and paste it here. I need to change the name of the object like this. And okay, let's see. We allow multi-select. Open file dialog multi-select equal to true, and let's say if open show dialog equal to dialog without OK. Files. We need to create. So right in here, this is files and path. We have a string array. Path and files. Alright. Let's continue. Now file equal to OFD file names and the path also equal to OFD file names for OFD dot file name for in x equal to 0, x smaller than file length, x plus plus. LB the track bar. Now we call this checklist. The checklist item should be F is the file's X. So player dot URL URL equal to path 0 and player 1 play. Okay, so we need to find an MP3 file in the internet. So this. So I will find an MP3 file here. Choose this song, download it. Yes, I save it here too. Nice. Okay, and I'll run our program. Open. Go to this one. Okay. Oh, it's run now, right? Cool. And if we choose this again, we have the second songs in here. Good. So next, we code for play button. With play button, player 1, system control, play, and that's all. We also need to code for pause Layer 1, CTL control, pause, oh, and we stop. Layer 1, CTL control, dot stop. So next is the button next. So if checklist, now selection item, selection index smaller than checklist, item count -1. Checklist selected index equal to checklist selection index +1 else. Checklist selected index equal to 0 because it's over the list, and then play. And the current position equal to current position of player equal to checklist selected index so yes, just play, and let's check this button. Let's stop. Okay, so let's play. So we play from the beginning. Pause. Okay, pause. With the button next, we need to song to Mp3. So I need to find another song for this. Okay, let's download it.
Đã lâu rồi từng ngày em ra đi để trái tim anh em mang thứ nào.
Okay, nice, we done it. And edit in here, right. We are in here, we play next. Oh, we need to change something in here. Layer URL equal to path checklist selected index. Let's see. Open this file. So next. Okay. That's it. Okay. Nice. So we do a similar thing with the button previous review. So with preview button, if checklist dot selected index greater than 0, checklist selected index equal to checklist selected index -1, else checklist selected index equal to checklist item dot now -1, and we copy these two lines player URL, we change it and play. Alright, let's run for testing. Okay, next. Okay, it's work. So we are almost done. The next thing to do is about the volume. So we choose here and double click. So we move to the event, the track bar scroll. So if the track bar scroll player 1 dot setting dot volume equal to track bar 1 value, and LBL volume dot text will be equal to track bar 1 dot value to string. I think calling track bar is not very correct, so I choose this and change its name. TB CTB track bar volume. Okay. Alright, let's go back. This to track bar, but this name has been changed to TV volume. So I also want to change the name properly, so I change the name here is TV volume. Alright, and we move this command to here. Okay, delete this. And good, let's check. Open. As you can see, the volume has been changed, but the starting point of the track bar is something wrong. Alright, and I will find what's wrong here. The track bar move back to the property value 50. Okay. Okay, and we also need to set the volume to 15 at the beginning. To 50 at the beginning is equal to 50 at the beginning. Alright, so let's move to other part, which is the timing label. With the timing, we go to design, choose timer, and we need to enable it. And we double click here, click the timer. If player 1 play state equal to WP WMPP play state WMPP playing. There's one more important thing in here, which we progress bar. Progress bar. This one. And we call it P bar. Okay, let's move back to the timeline. E bar maximum equal to layer 1 CTL control dot current item dot duration and key bar dot value equal to int layer 1 dot CTL control dot current position. Then we try and catch. So what we're trying now is LBL check stat dot text equal to layer 1 CTL control current position string and LBL and track dot text equal to layer CTL control current item duration with duration string to string dot. Okay, let's see what we have now. So can you see the number here? This is the length of the Mp3 file and this is the current position. It's look cool, huh? In this progress bar, we choose mouse down, double clicking mouse down. So in here is layer 1 CTL control dot current position equal to layer 1 dot current media dot duration 24e dot x over the bar dot width. Okay, and let's check our program. It looks nice, but we lack of the percentage in here. Scroll plus percentage. Okay, so next thing is that if we do something with the checklist, what happens? So we just click in checklist, and if the selection index change, layer 1 URL will be equal to path checklist selected checklist dot selected index and layer 1 play. Play. Alright, let's check what we have. Okay, this looks cool. When I choose the right file, the sounds also change. Great. So we already finished our program. I hope that it will help you to program many great applications. Okay, nice. This is the end of this video, and goodbye and see you again. Bye bye.